Hello friends, today we are going to see the second part of the kinetic theory of gases, that is called as the thermometry. So this is the part of also the kinetic theory of gases. So now we are going to develop the different types of the thermometers, different types of the measuring temperature measuring instruments. So now, what do you mean by thermometry? Thermal is nothing but related to the, that is the temperature, related to the temperature. And metry means measurement. So that means thermometry, it relates to the measurement of thermal energy, that is temperature. Temperature is the physical quantity. Similarly, it comes due to heat. That means you need to identify what do you mean by heat and what is the temperature. First of all, we have to clarify the difference between the heat and the temperature. So for that condition, we have to consider a cup of tea. See, this is the cup of tea, hot tea. Hot cup. It contains large amount of heat. There's a large amount of heat. Ultimately, its temperature is higher. That means it is very hot. It gives the energy to the surrounding. It gives the energy to the surrounding, and that is becomes cold like this. So when there is thermodynamic equilibrium reached with respect to surrounding and this hot substance, then there is no flow of heat. No flow of heat. That means heat stops to flow from atmosphere to substance or substance to atmosphere. What it means? I will explain in Marathi first of all, so that you can understand very well. समजा तुमच्याकडे एक कप भरून तुमच्याकडे समोर चहा ठेवलेला आहे. तुम्ही त्याला हात लावला की तुम्हाला भाजेल. याचा अर्थ काय होईल की यू फील दॅट द कप इज व्हेरी हॉट. तुमच्या समोर समजा एक बर्फ ठेवला, बर्फाचा गोळा तुमच्या हातावर ठेवला, तर यू फील इट इज व्हेरी कोल्ड. So what we feel is the proportional amount of heat energy. Proportional amount of heat energy. So we know that this muscle, that is the system, this is a thermodynamic system. What cup of tea is a thermodynamic system. This thermodynamic system has higher temperature than its surrounding. That means it feels hot. If we take a cube of that is the ice, then this cube of ice is very low temperature than the atmosphere. That means it feels very cold. So feeling of hotness or that is the coldness is the form of energy. Is the form of energy. So that means it absorbs, this ice absorbs the amount of energy from the surrounding because it is colder than the surrounding, and this hot cup of tea gives energy to the surrounding. That means the energy is taken from cup to surrounding and energy is taken from surrounding to this ice cube. So that means this energy is in a transit mode. This energy in transit means transfer from one medium to another medium, one system to another system, surrounding to the system, like this. So energy is the transit mode. That means it can transfer. It has ability to do work. So we can define now by using such type of things. We can define what is nothing but the heat. What is nothing but heat? Heat is a type of energy. It is a type of energy in the form of transit or in the form of the amount of work to be done. Amount of work to be done. This work may be positive, may be negative. When heat is given to the surrounding, already we know that this work done is positive. When heat is taken from the surrounding, then this work done is negative. So that means heat energy flow from lower to higher to lower, and during which there is a work done. During there is a work done. So this transit mode of energy is called as heat. समजलं का बघा तुम्हाला? नक्की. म्हणजे आपण हॉट कबाब आपण ती ठेवलेला आहे आपल्या हाताजवळ, तर आपल्या हाताला उष्णता लागते, याचा अर्थ त्या कप मधील एनर्जी आपल्या हाताला मिळते. जी हाताला मिळते एका मीडियम मधून दुसऱ्या मीडियम मध्ये जाते, त्या जी ऊर्जा आहे ती ऊर्जा ट्रान्सफर होते, त्या ऊर्जेला आपण काय म्हणतो? हीट. अमाउंट ऑफ हीट. लक्षात आलं? सो अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज दी नथिंग बट टू डू वर्क फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. म्हणजे काय की समजा आता ऑलरेडी आपण याच्यामध्ये बघितलेलं आहे, कायनेटिक थिअरी ऑफ गॅसेस मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे की व्हेन कन्सिडर करा एक सिस्टीम कन्सिडर करूया आपण, गॅसेस सिस्टीम कन्सिडर करूया ज्याच्यामध्ये गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत आणि त्याला आपण काय दिली? ऊर्जा दिली, हीट दिली. हीट दिलं तर काय होईल? दीज मॉलिक्युल्स मूव्ह फास्टर. These molecules will move faster. There are different degrees of freedom. आपण बघितलं आहे, ट्रान्सलेशनल मोशन आहे, रोटेशनल मोशन आहे, व्हायब्रेशनल मोशन आहे. सगळ्या मोशन्स पैकी सगळ्या मोशन्स मध्ये काय होईल? वाढ होईल. There is increase in vibrational motion, translational motion, that there are as well as rotational motion. So that means these molecules move faster. When during the motion they collide with other molecules and they produce the transfer of heat energy from one medium to another medium, one system to another, or one system to surrounding. So this transit mode of energy is called heat. So heat is a form of energy which can utilize to do some work, or it is a mode of transit. So now this is the amount of energy which is given to the outside, that is called as heat. Heat is measured in terms of joule. The measurement of heat is joule. Isn't it? So joule is a measurement of heat. Now, what is the difference between heat and now temperature? आता बघा की इकडे याच्याकडे जास्त हीट आहे, जास्त टेम्परेचर त्याचं असणार आहे. इकडे एकदम कमी हीट आहे, त्याचा अर्थ टेम्परेचर सुद्धा कमी आहे. मग आता मला सांगा की इथं टेम्परेचर आणि हीट मध्ये फरक काय आहे? सो हाऊ मच अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी गिवन इट इज कॅन बी कॅल्क्युलेटेड, बट दी क्वांटिफाइंग दी एनर्जी, क्वांटिफाइंग म्हणजे मॅथमॅटिकली आपण सांगू शकतो की एवढी अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, 2 अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, 4 अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, 100 अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी ही गेलेली आहे किंवा त्याच्याकडून बाहेरून आलेली आहे. तर या क्वांटिफाय जर केला तर दॅट इज नेम्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो नाउ व्हेन द सिस्टम गिव्स अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी टू द another surrounding or another system, then the mode of transition is measured by using the temperature. So temperature, or it is also called as the mode of the what is called quantified mode of heat energy. परत एकदा समजलं का बघा, टेम्परेचर म्हणजे काय की इथं समजा तुम्ही थर्मामीटर टाकला तर थर्मामीटर शोज हायर टेम्परेचर, इथं थर्मामीटर ठेवला तर थर्मामीटर शोज लोअर टेम्परेचर. सो हाऊ मच लोअर? हॉटनेस आपल्याला माहिती आहे जास्त हॉट आहे. जास्त म्हणजे किती? जास्त म्हणजे किती हे मेजर करायचं काम कोण करतो? टेम्परेचर. सो टेम्परेचर इज that the physically that the quantity which measures the hotness, which measures the coldness. Temperature is the measurement of the physical part of the system, that is in terms of temperature. Okay, so now the quantifying the amount of energy is called as a temperature. So now temperature, समजा आपण काय केलं की एक हॉट कप ऑफ टी घेतला हाफ कप ऑफ टी घेतला, याचं टेम्परेचर काय होईल? त्याचं टेम्परेचर इथं थर्मामीटर टाकला, याचं टेम्परेचर हायर येईल, बरोबर. आणि सराउंडिंगला टेम्परेचर किती आहे तेही आपल्याला कळेल. इथं टेम्परेचर थर्मामीटर शोज लोअर टेम्परेचर. समजा आपण दुसऱ्या याच्यावर दाखवलं तर लोअर टेम्परेचर, इथं हायर टेम्परेचर आहे. काय होईल आपल्याला लक्षात येईल की इथून एनर्जी इकडे येईल आणि जोपर्यंत सराउंडिंगच्या टेम्परेचर एवढे ह्याचं टेम्परेचर राहणार नाही तोपर्यंत अमाऊंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी चालणार. So now we can measure the amount of energy transferred in terms of the temperature. Understand? So this is the concept that is known as heat and temperature. Heat is nothing but the energy in the transit mode. It shows the hotness or coldness. Coldness or hotness. How much amount of hot? How much amount of the coldness? And this coldness is measured by using the temperature. Do you understand this? So this is a simple concept which can be developed, that is redeveloped to that will form the thermometers, different types of thermometers we are going to study in the next video. Thank you.